In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly navigate through years in Google Calendar. This is a handy technique for those moments when you need to plan or review events that aren't in the current year. Let's get started. First things first, we need to access your Google Calendar. So open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Google Calendar website. If you're not already logged in, you're going to encounter the login screen. Here, you'll simply type in your email address followed by your password and then click Next. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by the main view of your Google Calendar, which by default shows the current month. Now, depending on what you're accustomed to, this view might feel right at home, or perhaps you're more of a week or day view type of person. But for what we're doing today, the month view is exactly where we need to be. So if you're not already on the month view, go ahead and click on Month to switch to it. The next step involves moving from looking at months to focusing on years. To do this, you're going to look for the current year displayed at the top of your calendar. It's usually in the center or towards the top left. Once you find that, give it a click. You'll notice that the view shifts, showing you the entire year at a glance. This annual overview allows you to see all the months laid out, which is quite handy for long-term planning. Now here's where the magic happens. If you're aiming to jump to the next year or even a few years ahead, look for the arrow next to the year you're currently viewing. This arrow, when clicked, will take you forward 1 year. If you need to go several years into the future, you just keep clicking this arrow until you reach your desired year. It's as simple as that. A nifty feature to remember is that each click takes you a whole year forward, which significantly speeds up the process compared to manually flipping through each month. And if you've gone too far or need to revisit the past, there's an arrow pointing in the opposite direction too. This lets you move back in time in the same manner. There you have it, a quick and easy guide to skipping through years in Google Calendar. Whether you're setting milestones for personal goals, mapping out long-term projects, or just curious about what day of the week your birthday falls on in 5 years, this technique will get you there in no time. Remember, with a bit of practice, navigating through time in Google Calendar can become second nature. Happy planning!